Y'all better can't cook. Think you there, you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
Hey YouTube, hey guys, welcome to my channel, Roma's Kitchen. I'm Romalie. So if you know me personally or you have me on WhatsApp, you know that I absolutely love to cook and that I'm always cooking. Now if you've ever eaten from me before, you know a girl can cook. So I decided to make this YouTube channel to gain revenue to start a scholarship foundation. So I was thinking, what better way to use the channel to gain the revenue than to do something that I'm absolutely good at and something that I love. For me, it's cooking. Yes, I'm absolutely good at other things. Yes, I love other things. But for this channel, it will be about food, and more food. So if you are a beginner in the kitchen, if you are a pro in the kitchen, if you have absolutely no idea what's going on in the kitchen, if you are a foodie, this channel is still for you. Also, I have recently relocated to China, so for now, the videos to follow will be about me surviving China food-wise. Yes, I have tons of options available to me. However, most of them is not like what I'm used to back home, but hey, I still make it work. So if you are interested in everything that I just said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so you won't be left out of any of my future videos, and of course, share this video with a friend of a friend, all your relatives, and let them know that Roma's Kitchen is on YouTube. I will drop my first video after my first 100 subscribers. So if you want to be in that number, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. So until I drop my very first video,